Have you ever wondered what your favorite chocolate is actually made of and where it comes from? Let's uncover the hidden secrets behind it.
Let's go!
Across the world, millions of people enjoy the delicious taste of chocolate. But behind it lies a fascinating and delicate production process. We'll dive into the incredible journey of how chocolate is made inside one of the largest chocolate factories in the world. In 2024, the global chocolate production reached around 54 million tons. Among the biggest chocolate-producing countries are Germany, Switzerland, Belgium, France, and the United States. Germany and Belgium export the most chocolate, but in terms of quality and reputation, Switzerland is the most renowned country. Because of its famous quality, Switzerland continues to reign in the global chocolate industry.
Now let's find out how they actually make it and why Swiss chocolate has become so iconic. The journey of chocolate making will surely surprise you.
It all begins with the cacao tree, which grows in tropical regions of South America, Africa, and parts of Asia. The highest production happens in Africa, because the ideal environment for cacao trees is around 25 degrees Celsius temperature and 70–80% humidity. And in these regions, chocolate is produced in massive quantities. Now, let's see how chocolate is made step by step, starting from the cacao pods all the way to the final sweet bar. Once the processing is complete, the chocolates are packaged, marketed, and exported to different countries before finally reaching you. So tell us in the comments, what's your favorite chocolate, food, or life hack? In the next video, we'll try to bring a story based on your comments about your favorite food, chocolate, or even a special hack.